Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to turn off touch sound on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Well, knowing how to turn off touch sound on your device can enhance your user experience by reducing unnecessary noise and distractions. And also, disabling touch sounds prevent your device from emitting audible feedback every time you tap the screen, which can be particularly useful in quiet environments such as meetings, libraries, or late at night. So how to do that? Let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly, enter to the settings on your device. So here select sound and vibration menu. Okay, after that select system sound option. And here look for touch interactions and then turn it off like this. Okay, so now the touch sound on your device is successfully turned off. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn off touch sound on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.